got the alternator off on the Porsche 944. Can't wait to get new seats. Here's the new one. Looks pretty good. Some various things in here right now. Still getting used to this space we got now. That's where the alternator was. I said it takes 4 hours with 2 people to change this out, but before I got here, Nick had only done a half an hour worth of stuff, and we got it out in about, I don't know, what was that, 10 minutes? 10 minutes. So we'll see how long it takes us to put it back in.
That's the fun part.
No. Absolutely not.
Sandpaper anywhere?
Yes, I do have sandpaper.
I'd like to clear the contact on it just a little bit.
So as you can see down here, the crank is good. We know the crank is good because it pulls. And right here, you may not be able to see that, but the AC compressor is spinning, so it's not the AC. And I'm pretty sure it's just the alternator, which wasn't cranking very well in the front of it. So this guy is hopefully going to be our saving grace. Some of the damage to the fender we got going on, we bonded later. The rest of it's pretty clean. This front fender has some stuff on it.
Come back off.
Gasket back on there. Custom shroud fitting for not the same exact OEM alternator. It's gonna work though. Alright guys, so this bolt right here is having problems going through. We've tried a lot of things, tried beating it a little bit. You can probably see those blue marks there from our mallet right there. We got the bolt on the bottom end already. This one will not go through and start going into the threads down on this end here. We are trying whatever we can.